Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete Marvel Snap account using your mobile device. So if you want to get rid of your Marvel Snap account since you don't want to use it anymore, the process is quite simple. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open your Marvel Snap application and also make sure that you are logged into the account. Once you're in the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the top left. This will open up your settings menu. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see the delete account button. Tap the delete account button and on the next page, confirm some of these following information and check the confirm box at the bottom. And soon after the next button activates, tap on it. Also make sure to go through the information first before deleting your account. Your account deletion is irreversible, so before submitting your request, make sure to go through all of the information and check this little circle at the bottom and tap next. So after you do that, on the next page you'll need to make sure that your account is safe and secure so that you can easily delete your account. Tap the next button in the account deletion page and on the next page tap on the confirm deletion button again at the bottom right. Once the request has been submitted, your account will be deleted in the following date that has been given over here. There will be a 30-day grace period before your account gets deleted. During the grace period, if you log into the game account again, your account's deletion request will be withdrawn or cancelled, and you can continue playing the game after logging in like the account deletion request was never made. Tap on OK at the bottom and that is how you can easily delete your Marvel Snap account if you no longer wish to use it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.